Most investors think chasing momentum is risky, but what if I told you that some of the biggest winners in the market are actually found when stocks are already running higher, and the key is knowing how to spot the ones that still have fuel left in the tank? Today, I'm breaking down how momentum can still pay off, even when stocks are near their highs. And I'll walk you through 3 real-world examples tied directly to the AI boom that are still showing strong upside potential. One of the best case studies of this idea is Applied Materials, a stock that was already up big when it was first highlighted yet still climbed another 100 points since then, proving that strong trends often continue longer than most people expect. What happened was simple. When AI spending exploded, everyone rushed into obvious names like Nvidia and AMD, but the real second wave came from the companies supplying the tools and equipment behind the scenes, names that weren't overlooked, but still had a lot of room to run. That's because capital is flowing aggressively into AI infrastructure, with hyperscalers like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon spending hundreds of billions on data centers, chips, and equipment, and thanks to new tax incentives that allow companies to immediately write off 100% of those investments. The motivation to spend has never been stronger. This kind of policy support creates long-term tailwinds that don't disappear overnight. Now, even with market volatility, tariff fears, and geopolitical noise, momentum stocks often hold up better than most people expect. Because volatility isn't always a warning, it's often an opportunity. The trick is separating real narrative shifts from short-term headlines, and right now, what we know for sure is that AI spending is still early. Capital expenditures are still growing, and the build-out of data centers is only just beginning. That's why the first stock to watch is Onto Innovation, a company most people have never heard of, but one that plays a crucial role in semiconductor quality control. As more chips get manufactured, someone has to test them, and Onto sits right in that layer of the supply chain. With strong relationships like Taiwan Semiconductor and rising factory construction, Onto benefits from every new facility that gets built. Even when the broader market pulls back, this stock has shown impressive resilience, which tells you institutions are paying attention. Now, many investors hesitate to buy stocks that already ran up, but the reality is that waiting for a perfect price often means missing the move entirely. A smarter approach is taking partial positions, keeping names on your watch list, and letting price action guide your decisions. Zooming out also helps. Onto hasn't even hit its all-time high yet, which means resistance overhead is limited and upside remains possible. Next up is AMD, a name most people know but often underestimate. While Nvidia grabbed the spotlight, AMD quietly broke out, consolidated, and now looks technically strong again. Consolidation doesn't mean weakness, it often means strength building before the next leg higher. This is a stock that fits perfectly into the AI compute story, and momentum systems are starting to confirm that strength again. And finally, there's On Semiconductor, a name that hasn't exploded yet like others. But that's exactly why it's interesting. It plays a later stage role in the data center build-out. Focused on power, semiconductors an essential part of making massive AI infrastructure actually work. These types of stocks often lag the early hype names, then catch up later when spending becomes visible in earnings. Right now, the stock is consolidating in a tight range, building a technical base, and showing early signs of a breakout, which historically has been a powerful setup. The bigger picture here is simple. Momentum isn't about chasing hype, it's about understanding where capital is flowing, identifying strong trends, and positioning yourself before the next wave fully arrives. AI infrastructure spending is still early, incentives are still in place, and many of these companies haven't yet seen the full benefit of what's coming. That's why, instead of fearing volatility, smart investors learn to use it. And just so you know, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.